Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup PayPal transaction records using bulk download options, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your PayPal transaction records, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Activity tab located at the top of the page. In the Activity section, look for the option labeled Statements. Click on Statements to reveal more options for downloading your transaction records. Select Custom from the drop-down menu to tailor your download preferences. Here, you will find options to specify the date range for your transaction records. Choose a start date and an end date that covers the period you wish to backup. Next, select the file format you prefer for your download. PayPal typically offers formats such as CSV, PDF, and Excel. Once you have made your selections, click on the Download button. This will process your request and generate the transaction records based on your chosen parameters. After a brief moment, a download link will appear on the screen. Click the link to download your transaction records to your device. Make sure to check your default downloads folder if the file does not show up immediately. It's important to ensure you save your downloaded records in a secure location. Consider creating a dedicated folder for financial records to keep everything. You can also use cloud storage for an extra layer of backup and accessibility. Review your downloaded file to verify that all necessary transactions are included. If you need to download records for multiple periods, repeat the process as needed. Regular backups can help you manage your finances and keep accurate records. Following these steps will ensure your PayPal transaction records are securely backed up and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.